Hi everybody, welcome to another Performance Audio and Sound exclusive video review. I'm Gary Springay, the technical editor for Performance Audio and Sound magazine and PASMAG online. If you've been a car audio enthusiast for more than about 10 minutes, you'll be familiar with Rockford Fosgate, one of the original mainstays in the high-performance car audio world and the originator of such legendary products as the Punch 45 and Power 650 amplifiers, and way back in 1989, the industry's first dual voice coil subwoofers. Rockford Fosgate remains a leader in product innovation and technology. A perfect example of what I'm talking about is this Power Series T1D412 woofer. The Rockford Fosgate T1D412 is loaded with trick and cool innovations that make the woofer easier to install and improve its performance. The first thing you notice when you take the woofer out of the box is that it has an unusually shaped surround. Unlike the popular wide rolled surrounds, the T1 woofers use a tall, narrower surround. The reason is not only to maximize the woofer's excursion capabilities, but also to maximize the amount of cone area available. After all, the more air you can move, the more bass you'll have, and Rockford calls this ingenious surround VAST, which is an acronym for Vertical Attach Surround Technique. The idea behind VAST is to eliminate the large flat area that's usually used to secure the surround to the cone, thereby increasing the effective cone area and the output. The cone that you actually see and that moves air is a large aluminum dust cap, and it provides a smooth concave look and helps to dissipate heat from the voice coil assembly. In the interest of maximum heat dissipation, black anodized aluminum is used for the 3-inch voice coil former, on which dual voice coils are wound with copper-clad aluminum wire. Another trick technology used to dissipate even more heat is this one called IDHS, which stands for Inductive Damping Heatsink. Attached directly to the top surface of the nearly 8-pound magnetic motor, the copper heatsink not only is finned to dissipate heat from the magnetic material, but it's also used to reduce distortion and back EMF from the woofer, which leads to better sound and improved reliability. Those of you who struggle with remembering your series and parallel wiring formulas will appreciate the really trick and very handy SWIFT terminals. Short for Selectable Woofer Impedance Fused Termination, the SWIFT terminals allow almost instant selection of either 2 or 8 ohm wiring, and best of all, you can connect both voice coils with a single positive and negative pair. The impedance selection is done by simply rotating a special center plug that's clearly marked for the intended impedance. Once in place, the jumper plug also provides fused protection from severe or accidental overloads. Wire connections are handled by slickly integrated spring-loaded terminals that will accommodate up to 8-gauge cables. And to cap the whole thing off, included in the box is a cast aluminum special trim ring and a heavy-duty steel mesh grill that looks terrific and really trims out the woofer. When it comes to reliability, Rockford Fosgate goes to great lengths to ensure the products exceed the expectations of even their most enthusiastic customers. To that end, the T1 woofers not only meet the stringent CEA 2031 standards, but the design also has to pass a brutal 24-hour full power torture test before it's approved for production. And one of the coolest parts of this woofer is its ability to appeal to almost any taste in bass. That's right, now you can have it both ways with a single woofer, simply by changing the enclosure. If loud and proud is your thing, a vented box is the way to go. But if articulate deep bass with audiophile quality appeals to you more than rattling windows 2 blocks away, a sealed enclosure is for you. Either way, the T1D412 will not disappoint. For more information on all the Rockford Fosgate products, you can also visit www.rockfordfosgate.com. So thanks for watching this PAS exclusive video review. To see more of our reviews or get more information and detailed test reports on the latest gear, you can visit www.pasmag.com or pick up a copy of Performance Audio and Sound at your local newsstand. Or better yet, subscribe to the digital version at www.pasmag.com/. //subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.